Welcome guys to a new video. Today we are going out again to have some fun and to drive our cars, to enjoy it and also to share it with you. So yeah, I think we are ready. We are about to go and yeah, let's start up the engine and have some great fun. We are not alone today, because today we are joined by a friend of us to drive some roads together and to have some fun. And this is Kathi and her TT RS.
Hi.
We are back in the car after our little eating break and we are about to drive to the next mountain pass that we hopefully can film with the drone again. I really hope that the street isn't that crowded, because today it is a mess out of cars here. I mean, it's Sunday, the weather forecast just said it will be very cloudy, but okay. Braking assistant. I mean, we had lots of meters to react, but yeah. Alright guys, keep on moving. We all try to drive our cars. Another fact today, there's so many cross-country skiers. It's just insane. It's like you've never could have done this sport before in your life. People are coming out from everywhere. You see all different kind of number plates and all the parking spaces are completely crowded. So okay, we have to overtake for 1 second because that guy is annoying me. He's driving so slow. He's going about 40 at 100. Alright, now we've got an Audi S4 in front of us doing the same thing. What's wrong with people on Sundays? Yeah, we're just about to hit the border between Austria and Germany again to get back into Germany to drive the pass. And after we did that, we will go back, all the way back, because the roads are super nice. And hopefully there are less cars than now, but I don't think so, because Sunday, good weather, everybody's out, and yeah, as I just said, it's super crowded, but yeah, we know that. But in summer, then we have way more hours of sun, way more hours of light. We can get our early bird bonus again, and also the late night bonus. So we don't have to slowly drive and slowly follow some normal people in their cars. We arrived at the mountain pass and it is epic, but there's something untypical we have to do first. We have to go downhill to drive it up again, because normally you will come to a mountain pass and go up the hill. But this one is different, but I really like this one. And in summer, on exactly this pass, there are also some hill climb races, and maybe we will visit one of these this year, because it isn't that far from our home, and some motorsport action is always good, especially on the roads. Of course, the road will get closed for it, which I really would like to have, because I would also enjoy to drive the road when it's closed, but yeah, German police isn't really about to do this for an event for some people, only for historic motorsport events, but even for them at least. So yeah, we are slowly getting down the hill, having cars in front of us, but we are super hyped to go back up again. The road is pretty wet at some points, but that shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, after we turn around, we will be back and then go up the hill and have some fun. Due to those super busy streets today and the very high amount of traffic, we decided to leave the mountain pass again, go back all the way back to our first road that we had, because traffic was a little less there. But yeah, at least we can go through some nice landscapes, through some snow besides the road. And we can drive in the sun with the rooftop open, enjoy the 5 degrees outside. But I mean, it's cold, but it's okay to open the roof. The sun is pretty strong already, and yeah, we enjoy it also. But anyways, we will drive on another day when the streets aren't that busy, and then we will have way more driving action. Alright, as you have seen, we flew drones today. We had a lot of fun. You got a very nice sound of the cars, and we also had some beautiful roads. And yeah, I think Katie had also some fun with us driving.
Yes, I had.
And yeah, that's it for today.
So I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.
Exactly. Bye.